Hi, I'm Angel from fleecefun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some cute sewing room decor using my Cricut Maker and some heat transfer vinyl. I have to say, I really like how this sign turned out. Isn't it cute? And there's so many different things that you can do. You can do different pictures and that sort of thing. So this is really just a great jumping off point. And it was really fun to put together. So let's gather your materials so we can get started.
For this project, you will need a Cricut Maker, Rotary Blade, Finepoint Blade, Easy Press mat, a reverse canvas, felt, small felt pom-poms, heat transfer vinyl, bright pad, access to design space, weeding tools, glue gun and glue sticks, paint for the frame, paintbrush, smartphone just makes it easier, fabric grip mat, and a light grip mat.
All right, now that you have everything, it's time to cut everything out using your Cricut Maker.
Step 1, cut out all the pieces, and this is going to take a little time. Place a large sheet of felt on the fabric grip mat. Using the file I've set up for you in Design Space, cut out all the fabric flowers. I have them color coded for reference. It takes a little while to cut it all out, but it would take a heck of a lot longer to do it by hand, so there you go.
This is one of those things you might want to go do something else, switch out the mat, go do something else, switch out the mat, because it's going to take a while to cut out all the pretty flowers here.
Step 2, cut out the heat transfer vinyl. Using a light grip mat, cut out the heat transfer vinyl. Next, using the bright pad and weeding tools, weed away the excess and set your pretty graphic aside. Step 3, paint the frame. Paint it the color that you desire or leave it raw and set it aside to dry. Step 4, assemble the flowers. I prefer to use a glue gun for this, but felt glue will also work. And what you're going to do is just begin to assemble the flowers. Some of the flowers require winding. Once they are wound, you glue the circle to the end to the bottom to make it stay together. Other flowers you build, taking the smaller piece and putting it on top. I chose to finish some with a felt ball in the center for interest. Step 5, arrange the flowers.
And then one tip I will tell you is that you really want to lay out your flowers beforehand. So just separately kind of get an idea of how you want them to look before you start gluing everything down.
Once all the felt flowers are assembled, get a general idea of how you want them to flow. Arrange the fabric flowers how you think it would look best, and with your phone, take a picture so you can recreate it again. Now it's time to figure out the placement of everything before it's all glued down or ironed on. Lay out the canvas and the frame. Place the vinyl. Mark with a pencil each of the corners of the canvas so you know where to glue things. Step 6, iron on the heat transfer vinyl. Clear the canvas of everything except the heat transfer vinyl. Iron it on using the Easy Press. By the way, the mat, totally worth the investment, makes the project so much easier. Be sure to use the recommended setting for canvas on the heat transfer vinyl that you are using. Step 7, bring it all together. Now that the heat transfer vinyl is on, it's time to bring those elements together. Using as a reference point those pencil marks you made earlier, glue the frame to the canvas. Now, referring to the picture that you took earlier on your phone, begin to glue down the felt flowers into place. Fill in with the flowers until you have your DIY felt flower art completely finished. I love how this gives a great pop of color to my sewing space, and I love the dimension and texture that the flowers give. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one.
And that's it. You have this really pretty canvas art. I love how it's three-dimensional and it's fun. And really, you could put anything here. You know, it doesn't have to be Fleece Fun. It might be a little strange if you had Fleece Fun on your thing. You could, I suppose, if you wanted to. I'm flattered, but do your own thing. If you like this tutorial, I have several others on my website using my Cricut Maker that I think you'll enjoy. A lot of them come with a video tutorial, just like this one. Also, I have free sewing patterns and crafts and all kinds of good stuff. So be sure to check it out or sign up for the newsletter. Link below. Have a great day. Remember, velvet is pretentious and fleece is fun.